Welcome back to our exploration of Facilities Connect Pro. We are going to look at the role of a approver, a site-based approver, which would be secondary. You can think office manager, secretary, or primary, which would be a principal. In this case, we are going to look at a secondary, but the process is the same. And when a request comes in, the system generates an email to initially the secondary, then it goes to the primary, and then it goes to the administrator. So sequentially generates an email to let that person know that there is something in the system that needs to be done. Now if the person is signed in, they can go and go to request to approve and approve it in that way. In this case, we are going to go in through the email. So here's our email, request for secondary approver. We click on the link right there, and that takes us, we're not logged in, so that takes us to a login screen. So we are going to sign in as the secondary approver. Takes us directly to the approval screen for the request that generated the email. So this is a very easy way to do your approvals. And primary principal or possibly administrator, this is something that they will use. So let's just say that we have to reject one date. You can reject them, approve them individually or as a group. In this case, we have so we are going to reject the first day, as we have a class in there. Remember that whenever you reject, you need to write an approval, or it's always good practice to write a note before we reject. And then the other two are fine. We're going to approve the remainder. And that's the process. We would review the top box here to see what was going on, and here are our dates and times and location. And that is the entire process of being a secondary approver, approving from the email.